Hello everyone, welcome to this course. In this session, we will immediately start the modeling of the first assembly, that is screw jack assembly. Um, First, we will create a folder onto the desktop. So go to desktop, or in your hard disk also, you can hard drives also, you can create this folder to save your models. I will just create uh, folder on separate folder on desktop and save it, just save it. Okay, and now start your solid edge session, and then immediately go to solid part. Okay, now first step is to go to file, go to save, and it will ask, a menu will come here. Go to summary, under title you give the name of the body, and here the project is there. Under that document number you give as 1 as the serial number. Just say OK, and where it will ask to where it can be saved, go to desktop, go to your folder will be seen here, double click on it, and then give the file name. I will give for my reference 001.par is the file extension, and save it, and go to tools, and here you can see, I hope you can see this material table option. Click on it and give the material on by which it is made up of. The material of the body is cast iron, and say apply to model. Okay, again save this file. Okay, these attributes are taken for material schedule while doing the assembly creation. So first have the habit of saving your file with name, with serial number, with material. Okay, now I will just open this part drawing here. The body number 1, it is a cylindrical part. It requires maximum size. Look for the maximum size. Okay, any component, however it is complex, don't worry about the complexity of the drawing. Look for the stock size of the model, or look for the maximum size of the model. Okay, and nature of the model, whether it is a bar or it is a cylindrical. Okay, here this is the base diameter is given as maximum diameter is 140. I hope you can see this dimension onto the screen, and the maximum height of this component is 185. So I require to build this model, I require maximum of 140 diameter and 185 length cylinder. Okay, so I will go to just go to in, and also you can see this is the half sectional front view. From the top view, if I see, I will get a circle of 140 diameter. So for that I will choose top view. Top view means the planes are turned like this, and here you can see this is YZ plane, this is XZ plane, and XY plane is perpendicular to my weaving direction. So always have the habit of taking the plane which is perpendicular to your weaving direction. So XY plane is the top view. In top view, XY plane become perpendicular to my weaving direction. So on I will choose XY plane as my sketching plane. Go to select this plane, and then go to first select this sketch icon, then select the plane over on the specification tree, or onto the screen you can select this plane over here. And now I require this profile to be built 140 diameter. Here with this commands, circle option is there. The moment you click on this circle, it will on the upper side you can have the option give the diameter and radius, and here you always have the habit of watching this command prompt. It is asking you center point of the circle, so click on the center of this intersection of these two planes. And now I have clicked. You just randomly you can draw a circle or mention the diameter here. However, it is your choice. Okay, I have randomly drawn a circle and I will go to smart dimension here. These are very much familiar commands with you as you have done this in drawing module. So use this smart dimension command. And one more option here, sketching. These two icons, maintain relationship and align indicator, these should be checked on. Okay, maintain relationship means if you want to edit the dimension, this option should be made active. Okay, so I will give the dimension here, and here it is highlighted. I will change it to 140. Okay, now my profile is ready. I will go to return to get back into the 3D model environment. Okay, now I should add the material. I know the height. I will take protrusion and select this sketch. For the select sketch option here, select from the sketch. In this, there are many options are there here. So you take select from the sketch. Okay, so right click on this. You will see the uh, material, and here at the upper side you can see the what is the distance to be given for that material, that is length. I require 185 mm, so enter and right click on with your mouse button. Your stock size is ready for the model creation. So go to right click on the sketch and hide it. We don't require that profile again here. Now take this to front view, fit it. So you are using this main menu icons frequently. You can pan it. Okay. Now material removal starts. You just go through this. Here I see this has base has 140 and it is converging, and here it is 70. So I should remove this kind of material which is there not necessary. So this shape, simple shape, I will create onto the front view plane. Okay. Uh, so here go to solid edge icon. In front view, you just see select these planes. You can see the red color here. This is XY plane. This is YZ plane. That means XZ plane is perpendicular to my viewing direction. So I will go to sketch and select XZ plane and go to the 2D environment. I will see these dimensions and create a open profile to remove the material. So I just go to this extract include option is there where you can extract the existing edges. See here, if I want edge from that, I can take a line element, and from plane also I can select, and with this extension you just extend it. Uh, and then bottom also I will take this include command, and bottom edge also I will take. From this the one more draw a line here about 20 mm. I will take offset command and I will offset it by 20 mm. Here you can see this 20 mm and 20. Okay, and I include this command also and trim this. So this edge I require, and then with and here what is the diameter 70. I will from the center I will offset it by 35. Make it single entity because I am offsetting a single entity. I will shift this 35 and then see the other dimension, it is 40, 40. Okay, and then you just delete whichever the lines you don't want, those lines have to be deleted. And then see this drawing here, it is 66, that means from the center it is 33, 33. I will just trim this. There is a step over here, and then see this here it is 100. This corner I need 100. That means from the center it is 50. So I got these top corner and bottom corner, and holding this end point I will just create this slope. Okay, so and now trim this to get the final shape. So you got this shape. Just zoom it here and make sure that this some gaps will be there. Your model will not allow you to perform the operation. Now you require what I have created is I am going to revolve this profile about this axis to remove this material. Okay. So now go back to your 3D environment and make it in isometric view. Okay, now go to this negative operation, revolved cutout. One option is there here, revolved cutout option. Use this command to, I am using this because it is cylindrical shape. I want to remove this material with this profile about this axis. For this, use revolved cutout and then select this section to be rotated and select the axis. Then it will ask the material within this direction or this direction. Say cursor bring down here, and then you can just move your cursor. You can see the simulated the revolution of this section around this profile. You here at the upper part of this icon, you see here angle. So overall 360-degree I want this material to be removed. So just give angle 360 and say just right click with your mouse, your material has been gone. Okay, so now go to this profile. See, I told you in the beginning of the classes, as the you progress the modeling, all your operations. See, first I have created the sketch, and then I have added the material, and then I have created the sketch. Now I have created the cutout. As per the sequence, it will be recorded here. So you can select the sketch over here and hide it. We don't, no more we require it. Okay, fit it, and then now again set it to front view, and then now go to the drawing again. where check where the material is again have to be removed. So inside it is a shell with a thickness of 10 mm. There is no material here. So just create this inner profile and revolve it again as we did for the outer side. Then you will get the final shape. Okay, now again I will take the XZ plane as my sketching plane, and then I will quickly extract the edges and I will extend it. I will also extract this and I will offset this by 10 mm and look for the drawing here. What is the inside dia? It is 50H7. H7 is the tolerance. You forget about this now. You just take it as 50, round off it to 50. Now from the center I will uh, offset it by 25 mm and I will just trim this to make a profile. Now look at this details here. It is 500, the diameter is 100. So from 50 and from above, from the bottom, it is 3 mm step is there here, and I will shift this center by 50 mm and I will also extract the edge over here and then I will offset it by 3 mm and now extend this slope and then finally and then uh, delete the unwanted lines. Just close this. When you are going to remove the inside material, it has to be closed profile. So I will just draw an axis for this, and this is the profile. Inside whatever is there material, I am going to remove it by revolving operation about this axis. Okay. Now go to return, press on return command, make it isometric. And now use revolve command again. Select the sketch, enter, select the axis. Just turn your cursor, move your cursor, and give the angle here 360. Enter. Your inside material has been removed. Hide it. You just see. For rotation, you use the middle scrolling button to rotate. Okay, now you keep it on front view and fit it and see the wireframe model, whether it is you have to check it whether it is going as per the dimension or not. You can see here inside there is no material, and save it frequently because of the um, discrepancy in the power issues and all. Have the habit of saving the model. This thing. Now coming to the next, see, check for the drawing. Any dressing operations are there. These radiuses, chamfers, look for this. In the drawing he has mentioned, unless otherwise stated, chamfer should be 1 into 45 and radii should be 1. In order to avoid the stress concentration at the sharp edges, we have to give the 1 mm, 2 mm chamfers. We should not leave the sharp edges. Wherever it is mentioned, we should give. Here he has mentioned radius 8. I will give the radius. So go to this round command, take this and radius here at the upper corner. It will ask for the radius value. I will enter 8 and I will select this edge. uh, and he has not mentioned these radiuses. So you give 1 mm radius, assume 1 mm radius. I will use 1 mm, and I will just zoom this and select this edge like 1 mm, and also I will zoom this inner edge. Okay, now your model is ready. You just hide the all reference planes. Go to tools. Here, hide all reference planes. Icon is there. You just you can change the color here if you wish. You can change the color and save this. Okay. Once it is saved, close this file. You check here in your folder Screwjack assembly. Here 001 has been saved. If you want to open it, just open with the solid edge part. The model will be opened. Okay. So this is about the modeling one model creation. In the next session, we will progress with simple parts.